One of the biggest challenges facing our young people today is that in spite of going to school for 15-16 years of their life, giving exams, learning the subjects, they are not really prepared for life. There is an urgent need to reimagine the purpose of education. Education must empower children coming from vulnerable backgrounds to overcome adversity and thrive in this fast-changing world. 130 million children in India are living in poverty. 48 million between the age of 1 and 5 have stunted growth. The size of the problem is staggering. On the other hand, the pace of change in the world is fast, almost frantic.
The school system is actually not geared to keep pace with the changing time. The biggest problem is its inability to reinvent itself, to decide for itself as to what is the purpose of education.
We believe by developing life skills, we can help millions of young people to overcome adversity and thrive. Life skills, as defined by WHO, are abilities for positive and adaptive behaviors that enable individuals to deal effectively with the demands and challenges of everyday life.
I want everybody in your teams now.
Some of the life skills are to think critically, solve problems, take decisions, interact with others, understand and follow instructions, manage conflict, among others.
Yes, the time is changed. You will have 10 seconds to answer the question asked by the team.
For children to develop life skills, they need a caring and compassionate adult who can create safe learning spaces for them.
When a child has one adult in their life who engages with them with empathy, with care, who brings authenticity and trust and a non-judgmental approach in their relationship with this young person, can be a game changer in a child's life.
In these safe learning environments, we then design transformative experiences that allow children to take creative risks. Change starts to happen as children begin to take creative risks. As they articulate the changes that are happening inside of them, they build the life skills that are needed to deal with the challenges of life.
I learned how to express our feelings and how to share our feelings.
Dream a Dream strategy for scale has 3 levers. Keeping the child at the center of the strategy, the first lever are our direct delivery programs with young people. We have the After School Life Skills program and the Career Connect program that works directly with 10,000 young people every year.
We engage with young people using creative art and football as a medium to develop life skills. In the Career Connect program, we work with young people between 14 to 23-year-olds with information and access to opportunity to make a healthy transition to an adulthood.
ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ತೊಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಸೊ ಅವರೇ ತೊಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರಂದ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಮ್ಮಿನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬಂದು ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಬರಬೇಡ, ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಬರಬೇಡ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೈದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು.
The direct delivery module is our innovation lab. So this is where different kind of life skills approaches are being tried, tested, demonstrated to see what works and what isn't working. And the insights that we get from the program is what is being fed into the larger ecosystem.
second lever of this strategy is to work in the environment around the child. Here we work primarily with teachers by training them on the life skills approach. From 2012 to 2019, we have worked with over 8,000 teachers, training them to create safe learning spaces within their existing classroom environments.
ಕೊಡೋ ಗಿಫ್ಟು ತಾಯಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮಗುವಿನ ಅಪ್ಪಿಗೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು. ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಾವು
Teacher development program basically works with the teachers in unlocking the creative potential. We truly believe in upskilling teachers with life skills, which gets translated into classrooms.
The third lever of our strategy is to influence the ecosystem around the child. Here we work with state governments, policy makers, the media, and other important stakeholders in the education ecosystem and look at what is the mindset shift that is required to reimagine education for the 21st century. One of the most successful outcomes of this strategy was the launch of the happiness curriculum in all the government schools of Delhi in 2018.
Happiness curriculum is an intervention of Delhi government for all its students studying from nursery to grade 8 with the objective to strengthen their social and emotional ability.
Helping governments shift their own mindsets around the role and purpose of education is really where the game can truly change.
मेरी राय में एजुकेशन का पर्पस है कि 20 साल अपनी ज़िंदगी के शुरुआती 20 साल में एक बच्चा एजुकेशन के ज़रिए ये सीख सके कि खुश कैसे रहा जाता है.
State governments are now very open. They want to do things differently. They are looking at consultants, experts and NGO to help them in building the reforms.
देश के करोड़ों बच्चों को अगर आप एजुकेशन के ज़रिए खड़ा करना चाहते हैं तो सरकार ही कर पाएगी.
Delhi, we work across 1,024 schools and our impact is close to around 1 million kids.
Starting in 1999, we spent the first 12 years in understanding the challenges faced by children from adversity and designing our direct interventions. Since 2012, we have impacted over 3 million children through our three-pronged strategy. In addition to scaling our impact, we are also investing in research to build evidence specifically in the Indian context. We know we can't solve the problem alone, so we are bringing on board other champions through collaborative networks to advocate for the urgency to reimagine education.
सबको अच्छी एजुकेशन मिल सके, फिर सबके पास स्काई इज द लिमिट.
This is for us still the beginning. The aim is to create a mindset shift in society about young people, about education, about the definition of success, a world where every child will have a thriving life.